Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, the 61% is the area that I've been talking about where we likely could see with some resistance. And what happened today is it actually kind of blew right past that area. Now, it can go past it and still pull back, but for me, the most important structure is actually right here. Now that we got a new high, we can move our structure up to here, and we can say confidently if we get a bigger structure to the downside, then we would start looking for shorts. I think at this point, now that it went beyond the 61, it's probably going to eventually make its way up to the 78%, which is right around 4,280. Whether or not it makes a decent pullback before it gets there, I guess is the question. But really, in my eyes, any pullback we see is likely just a pullback within this move up, and we should look at it as nothing more than an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.